We almost died. Holy crap, that's bright. Let's focus on Daddy's face. There we go. So we were up early this morning. I had a dentist appointment because one of my teeth, the enamel, broke off. So I wanted to get a checkup just to make sure it wasn't like a crazy cavity starting and such. So I had my teeth cleaned, which was super uncomfortable because I had to constantly like flip sides, like, because Dumpling is like right up in my ribs, so he's making it hard to breathe. So I was constantly side to side or else I'd pass out. Whew. Today's a struggle with breathing. I don't know why today's worse, but it is. We are now, well, with my dentist appointment, I've got like little specks of cavities everywhere, but I've always had that. So we're just gonna do that once Dumpling's out because of how much I struggled with breathing. Laying there, she could have done it, but it was just too uncomfortable for me. So we're gonna wait till he's out and then I'll go back in and Matt will go for a cleaning and such. But right now we are en route to London because we have our hospital tour and then we have our OB checkup. So we're just gonna go there, be there, so we're not late to the tour, because if you're like 5 minutes late, they'll make you reschedule, which is stupid, but oh well. But Matthew's an awesome husband and he picked me up breakfast and a tea. You love me. He's so gay for me. So that's our morning right now. Oh shit, fuck. Okay, we're on the highway and yesterday we had a warning that like from Nauvoo Road until the 401 was off. Oh my god, my heart's hurting right now.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so we just came to like a complete dead stop out of nowhere and
I had to use the rumble strips to slow down because it was too slippery. Like I was gonna hit the back of another vehicle. And then a transport came in just as hot as I did. And we had to fuck off to the right and he fucked off to the left.
We had to swerve the other way because he would have just bulldozed us.
We straight could have died.
Oh my god. Oh, my heart's hurting. I'm terrified right now. So right now we are in a long lineup to get off the highway. Oh, it's so cold out that the ice is not freezing. Like it's what, -16?
Mm-hmm.
It's cold as shit. And everything is icy and terrible. Too many transports on the highway. Practice my breathing early. Oh man, I'm like sweating like a motherfucker right now. Okay, so that's our excitement right now, getting off the highway and almost being bulldozed by transports. Yeah.
To be fair, we knew it was coming.
I know.
We were in 4-wheel drive, we had an exit strategy. We had shit covered.
Thank fuck that guy immediately knew and moved over.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I could tell that I was coming in way too hot for a dead stop.
Yeah.
Not something you expect. I threw him like 4 ways to give him some sort of sign.
Warning?
But, yeah.
It helped. Because he got over.
Yeah, I think so.
Woo! We almost died! So this is our situation. I know it doesn't look terrible, but the roads are just like pure ice.
Yeah, they started using sand on them because it was too cold for salt.
We had one of those big motherfuckers coming at us. There's tons of them behind us too.
The guy right behind us thinks we're boners because we skipped a bunch of stuff on the side trying to avoid that truck.
Trying to avoid death.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's our situation. Thank God we left an hour, 2 hours, yeah, an hour early to prepare for this. Look at how pretty that is over there. The like snow covering like all those like branches right there. Like I don't know, it's pretty. It's like, it almost looks like fog. Like a fog coming in because the trees are there and then it's like covered. It's really pretty. Don't you think that's pretty?
Yes.
So we just got finished our hospital appointment. What I thought was gonna be the hospital tour and all of that was pre-admit. It was actually like going over all of my birth plan stuff, my health history, and all that. So we actually had to reschedule the hospital tour for next week. So next Wednesday we're gonna be figuring out and seeing everything. We had a bit of a hiccup with filling things out because there's like private room, suites, semi-private and all that. And I wanted to do the private room because I didn't really want to be pushing out a baby with someone else beside me pushing out a baby. And that's how it sounded like it was gonna be. And then when we went to my OB appointment afterwards, I asked about that. And she said, no, you get your whole own room. It's just aftercare. You either get private, semi-private, or whatever. It's like, oh, thank God. So that was a huge weight off my chest. So now we're just gonna do like the normal room, because I could not do pushing out a baby if someone was in the room right beside me with a curtain between, because I don't know how they're gonna react. But yes, so next week, next Wednesday, we have that hospital tour where we get to see all the rooms, the birthing ward, everything, all that. Super excited for that. I kind of wished it was today because I thought it was today, but oh well. And then, yeah, everything's going good. Dumpling's growing good. He's head down, has been since 20 weeks. So, bit better experience today with the OB.
Yeah, it wasn't a million-year wait.
Yeah.
She seems super nice.
Real quick. She's super nice. I really like her. I'm glad it didn't take that long. I guess like because the roads are bad, as you guys saw with the videos, I guess she had so many people calling in and canceling. So it was just empty. It's like as if we were the only ones that showed up. So at least we did that for her. Gave her an appointment. She's probably just been bored. But we are en route to Walk in a Box because Matt drove by it the last time we were here in London and really wanted it. So we are heading to there to get some Walk in a Box. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but we will see. And then I wanna head over to Urban Barn or whatever, Pottery Barn, I don't know what it's called, but I'll tell you guys when we're there. Cause I wanna check out the dressers, cause I wanna get a new dresser to put all my clothes in, cause the dresser that's in our house right now is too big to fit in the new house. So I'm gonna be giving that dresser to Devyn and then upgrading to just like a stand dresser, which will definitely go upstairs and fit. So I've got to find one to be able to do that and bring her the other thing, just to get it out of the house. But so far, February 1st is, I guess, our move-in date, or when we're able to move in, or who knows.
Yeah, we should be able to move in then.
Hopefully before, who knows. But we're excited. Not really, because like it's so close to having Dumpling here, but better late than never, right?
Yep.
Yep. So we have our Walk in a Box. Matthew's eating a samosa right now. Verdict?
Really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot. Hot. I'll probably have to wait to eat it then. I'm going to show you guys what the Walk in a Box looks like. So here's Matthew's. What did you get? Teriyaki?
Yep.
Teriyaki beef. And I got Mongolian chicken. It's heavy.
Yeah, man, it's so much food.
I was gonna get a regular box, but Matt upgraded me to a large because he wanted to eat it. Because that's Matthew for you. The weather just keeps getting worse and worse. Ridiculous. We still have to drive home. This is how ridiculously snowy it is. Look at Matthew. He's covered in snow. Looks like you're dusty.
It's fucking cold out there.
So every store that we went to look for dressers, they didn't have any. So it looks like I'm just gonna have to order one online and hopefully it's the right color, or else I'll have to take it back. Now we got like a 2-3 hour drive home in this terrible weather, going 40. So we're probably gonna get a tea and donut and listen to an audiobook. So we are home and we are welcomed by the amazing smell of my homemade chili.
I did this. This was all me.
This is all you?
Yeah.
I very highly doubt that. Look at that. Whoop, fogging up the lens. Oh yeah. I'm super tired. Gonna head to bed. Good night and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, stalkers. So today, what is today? Saturday?
Yeah.
Today's Saturday. We're going to Canadian Tire because there's a dresser there that I want to get, and I'm gonna repaint it. I'm gonna do like the chalkboard, well, not chalkboard, but chalk paint, and I'm gonna like give it like a gray whitewash look to it. So I'm gonna do that today. Matthew's just gonna take me to go pick up that and all the paint and the supplies I need because I am stir crazy. I need to do something. I have a video I have to film, but it's not gonna take very long to do, so I need something else to occupy my time, or else I'm just gonna be a complete cunt to him.
She's not joking.
I'm not joking. So we are heading out right now. Gonna start Robo Bitch and get our day going.
Thanks.
So we went to Home Depot and they didn't have the color that I wanted, so we're going over to Lowe's. But as we were in the Lowe's parking lot, we came to the conclusion that we've been dicks to each other this morning because it's 12:30 and we haven't eaten. So we're definitely hangry, and Matt agreed that he was hangry and being mean to me about wanting to paint the furniture, so.
No, I wasn't. I was fine.
The color scheme.
I didn't care about the color scheme. That was...
What if it comes out looking like shit and then I'm like, you were right?
It will, but you'll never admit that I was right. So it doesn't really matter.
So Matt's circling around in order to get McDonald's, so we aren't gonna bitch at each other in the store when we're picking out paints.
Paints is a frustrating thing because you're there for so long.
Yeah. So we're gonna get something to eat now. So we've eaten. I'm about to sneeze. Okay. So we've eaten and we are now... Fuck. What? We've eaten, we're now heading into Lowe's to look for the paint. I think I'm gonna do the white with the gray wash. Fuck! Okay, I think I'm gonna do the white with the gray wash. And if it looks like fuck, at least I'll do it on a little table that I hated anyways before I go and do the big stuff. So I think I'll do that. What do you think? I'll do that little tiny corner table first.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And then fuck it up beyond repair.
Unless it looks gorgeous and you're just like, ah, now you wasted all that time on that little table and you could have done the big things.
Yeah, but now you have a little table.
I guess, yeah. Off we go. Alrighty, so I got my drop sheet down. I got all my paint here. My paint brushes. So I've got the gray. Where is it? I've got the country gray and the linen white. And I'm gonna do this guy first, just to see how it's gonna look. And then if I like it, I'll go ahead and do the dressers and anything else I can find. Matthew is currently helping me build the dresser. Right here.
Don't worry, Team Fire comes online at level 10.
So he's currently helping me build the dresser that I'm going to be painting.
I thought it was interesting that they showed him counter.
But look how pretty that little end table is over there.
Yeah, when you have a long whip counter, I'm gonna lose and
I'm zooming in on it.
When I saw it, I was like, that is just...
Look how freaking cute that is.
Yeah, exactly.
So I finished super late with priming the second dresser, but I finished the first one. Well, I still have to seal everything and whatnot, but I'm super tired. Gonna head to bed. I'll show you the process right now. So that one's done. That one's in the works. So that is gonna be like that one. Yeah. Not bad, just time consuming. Good morning, stalkers. Today's Sunday. We woke up to someone knocking at the door saying that a water main's broken on our road. So there's a shit ton of ice on the road and it's closed, so that's gonna be fun today. I guess we won't have water. Hopefully they can get to it.
Yeah, I don't know how long it'll take.
Yeah, so hopefully that'll happen. Gonna work on my dressers a bit and see if I can film. So I painted the other dresser, the gray and white, and I'm currently waiting for the gray to dry so I can do a second layer. And then I'll do a second layer of the white. But Matt's playing Borderlands and I'm laying here and it hurts to breathe. Dumpling is not giving me room in my chest to breathe. Feels like I'm like 800 pounds right now. I'm dying.
I know. You die quiet though.
No, loud, obnoxious death.
Ugh. Alright, I guess.
Blech. I just found out something really, really weird about my tummy, but I can't film it until Matt comes in here and films it for me because I need both hands. It looks so weird. Boop. Boop. Boop.
That's gross and I don't want you including it in any vlog. I'm no longer a part of this. You're gross.
Can you videotape?
No, you can do it yourself.
Nothing, please.
No.
So it's dinner time and we made bacon carbonara noodles, fish sticks, and chicken burgers are in the oven. But right now we're just eating this and watching YouTube and hanging out. Well, it's about bedtime. We're gonna head to bed. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to our channel to give you guys some reasons to smile. Good night, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.
Good morning, stalkers. Today is Monday. I'm cleaning the house. Just getting everything tidied up and cleaned up. Claptrap is doing his job and I'm doing mine. I'm just about to upload a bunch of videos for the costume company that I work with. And then I'm probably gonna make a protein smoothie and have that for my lunch. Nothing else too exciting today though. I think we're gonna be moving the couches to the new house in the garage just to get them out of here and get it clutter free in this house, so we shall see, but hopefully we can get to that. I asked Matt to ask Adam to help, so hopefully he does that. So Matthew is on his way home. I guess he's gonna drive right to Adam's house to pick him up so they can come over and move 3 of the couches over to the new house in the garage just to get them out of here so we don't have to deal with them later and fight them. And because I'm getting super grumpy about it and I just don't want them in here anymore. So Matt's going to get Adam and they're gonna come and start moving the couches, but I'm gonna get ready so I can go with them because I've been home alone all day and I just really want to hang out with people. So this is one couch that has to go. Not sure if we're gonna move that one now or later, but yeah. And then the other 2 are here in the basement. We've got a brown one and a red one, and I just want to get them out so we don't have to tackle them later. So Matt and Adam currently have the couches out and they're just strapping it down. And then we're gonna go get the other 2 and bring those as well, but really opens up the living room. Finally feel less cluttered and crammed. So here's the kitchen table now in the living room. Looks a bit more spacious and big. The kitchen looks empty now. And weird. It's too open. Lily seems to like it. Or she's just waiting for food to fall. Matt's making roasted chickpeas and some type of squash in the oven. I don't know. More like making a mess. Right?
What Lily's here for?
I'm talking about the counters. You get rid of the table, and then we have nowhere for stuff. So for dinner, I made chicken Caesar wraps. Matthew's helping Brandon level up some stuff right now in Borderlands, so just waiting for him to finish so we can eat.
She's talking to the camera.
We're gonna head to bed. Good night, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, stalkers. So today is Tuesday. Devyn's here with Dante. So Dante and Lily are outside playing right now, and she's trying to videotape it, but it doesn't look like it's going too well. And he's leaping from off the freaking table, off the deck. Just look at this. Do it again. So Devyn and I have to go out. She wants cake at Walmart and she has to get some groceries. Yeah. So Devyn's gonna get her cake fixed now. What, you like this one?
I like blue, but that looks really pretty.
The airbrush is really cute.
There's a, oh, it's a diamond.
But just to look so pretty. Is this the winner?
Yeah, because it's pretty.
So we're back from the groceries.
Fucking sick.
Got a bunch of stuff. I guess Devyn wants a protein smoothie, a blueberry smoothie, so I have to make her that. But right now the doggies are eating. So for dinner we just made chicken wraps. Nothing too special.
He's not fighting because he's warm.
I know.
He's like, I couldn't wait this now.
Okay.
Matthew put a sweater on Dante to keep him warm. It's too big.
Elastics keep his feet out. Stop squirming. Squirming fuck. Okay, now that you don't shed, you can come on the couch with me. That's what this exercise was all about.
Now he's just like, okay, I like this. I'm okay with this. Well, Devyn just went home. We're gonna head to bed. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.